Over the past month, I have had the incredible opportunity to dive into the world of aerial photography and exploration with the Mini 3 Pro. This compact drone has taken me on soaring adventures, allowing me to capture breathtaking landscapes and create unforgettable memories. In this monologue, I will share my experiences and insight into what I have loved and what I have found lacking during my time with this cutting edge gadget. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 Pro is its user friendliness. From its effortless takeoff and precise return to home functionality to the intuitive GPS tracker, this drone is a dream to operate for beginners like myself. The simplified controls have empowered me to focus on capturing stunning visuals without getting bogged down into complicated maneuvers. The drone's sensor technology is truly remarkable. The incorporation of advanced obstacle avoidance sensors has provided me with a sense of security while navigating tight spaces and avoiding potential collision. While they may not be flawless, they have certainly added an extra layer of confidence to my flights. The camera on the Mini 3 Pro is a true gem. With impressive resolution and clarity, it has allowed me to capture even the minutest of details in my shots. The colors are vibrant and the dynamic range is commendable, making every image come to life. The remote controller has been a joy to use. Its ergonomic design and responsive controls give me a tactical connection to the drone while enabling precise adjustments mid-flight. The controller's range has also pleasantly surprised me, extending my exploration capabilities further than I initially expected. There is, however, a small flaw. The RC controller screen is 720p and not 4K, which could be a problem on a bright sunny day. The drone's collection of quick shots and master shots have added a creative dimensions to my aerial photography. These pre-programmed flight paths and cinematic maneuvers have allowed me to effortlessly capture stunning videos that have a professional touch, elevating my content to new heights. Let's talk about the 5 aspects that didn't quite meet my expectations. Unfortunately, the battery life of the Mini 3 Pro leaves much to be desired. The limited flight time has often curtailed my adventures and forced me to land prematurely. Extended battery life would undoubtedly enhance the overall experience, enabling longer and more satisfying flights. While it claimed 35 minutes on the reviews, in my experience it hardly gives you somewhere between 20 to 25 minutes. No, that could be due to the fact that I'm trying to capture most content in 4K. However, for a device that is as expensive as $1,000, I was expecting a better battery time. While the obstacle avoidance sensors are impressive, they are not infallible, particularly in low light conditions. Additionally, the absence of side sensor can make navigating close quarters situation a bit nerve-wracking, reminding me to exercise caution. Unfortunately, I found it through the hard way. As I tried to land my drone here, it collapses and fell down. While the camera performs admirably in daylight, it struggles to deliver exceptional results in low light or nighttime scenarios. Night pictures, while acceptable, lack the sharpness and vibrancy that I have come to appreciate in daytime shots. Some of you may ask why optical zoom? Well, why not? Don't you want to zoom in when your drone is up there? The absence of a robust optical zoom feature is noticeable. While the camera's quality is undeniable, the inability to zoom optically limits my creative options, especially when trying to capture distant subjects with precision. Well, let's be honest, $1,000 for a beginner drone is expensive. Undoubtedly, the Mini 3 Pro falls into the higher end of pricing spectrum. While its features and capabilities justify the cost to some extent, it remains an investment that may not be feasible for all enthusiasts. In the span of a month, the Mini 3 Pro has transformed my perspective on aerial photography and exploration. Its user-friendly operations, impressive sensor technology, and outstanding camera have enabled me to capture stunning visuals and elevate my creative pursuits. While challenges such as battery life and sensor limitations are there, they do not overshadow the overall positive experience of flying and capturing with this remarkable drone. As I continue to document my adventures from the sky, I eagerly anticipate future iterations that may address these challenges and further enhance the already exceptional capabilities of this magnificent drone.